Let me show you how you can save your imported media files into vMix as a preset. Right, so the advantage of saving them as preset is that whenever you open your vMix again, you don't need to start adding up the files individually. So let me just show you how it's done quickly. It's a very easy to do. So what you need to do after you've opened your vMix and imported the file, just as you can see on the screen right here, I've imported a ton of files into my vMix. Now, you go to the top right here where you have save, right? And then you're going to, now these are the presets I've saved before, right? So I'm just going to save, okay, let me just give it a name as test stream 1, right? And then when you're done, you go ahead and click right here, you click save, right? So it's going to save your file. Now, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you how to import it into your vMix again. So when you open your software, right, all you need to do, okay, I'm going to close the software and let me show you how to re-import your media files using the same preset. So I'm going to, let me open my vMix once again. Now I'm going to open the files, open the preset file, right? So I don't need to come over to add input and start importing my media files all over again, right? All I need to do is just to come to where I have the word open right here. And then it takes me to the folder where I have all the presets I've saved. So this is one we've saved before. So you click once and come and click open, or you can just double click, right? Now it gives you all the presets that you saved, right? So you can uncheck the ones you may not be interested in loading again, and then you click open, right? So this is how you can import. So as you can see, right, all the media files I imported before have been re-imported into vMix. So this is how you can save your files as a preset in vMix and then import them or re-import them whenever you want to go live again. So thanks for watching. If you found this useful, ensure you give my video a like and subscribe to my channel because I post these tech videos every week. So see you in my next video.